Folks, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your trades with resilient industrial stocks. Get it? Structure, industrial? I love it. So, while the industrial sector is not one of the sexy sectors in the U.S. economy, it's currently tracking just shortly behind the tech as one of the most resilient sectors of the economy right now, right after the election. Or, well, I don't even know if the election's over just yet. It may not be over for a few more weeks. Moreover, industrial stocks tend to follow basic materials, and that's the fastest growing sector following the election 8 out of 10 times. And that's why today I want to look at two top stocks that should protect your portfolio from extreme volatility and offer potential gains as the economy looks ahead into a new presidential cycle, which typically triggers strong industrial growth, at least historically. On a technical basis, the SPY S&P 500 made all-time highs in September and began falling off since then. The industrial sector didn't peak out till October 17th and appears to be nearing all-time highs once again. This divergence between the S&P indicator and the industrial stocks are about to take off once again, keeping your eye on these two stocks for big gains ahead. First stock, Honeywell, ticker symbol HON. Honeywell is a Fortune 100 software industrial company that delivers industry-specific solutions that include aerospace, automotive, control technologies, buildings, homes, industry, performance materials globally. It's got its hand in everything. Considered by many to be the best-in-breed industrial name despite massive sell-off in the stock market recently. Honeywell stock is only down 7% this year, considering so much of the industrial sector's business is tied to the economy. Things could look a lot worse. The company has made its living dominating areas such as aerospace and control panels. The latter are used for a lot of things, from machinery all the way to thermostats. The company is well diversified as well. They've got their hands in safety equipment, healthcare, pharmaceutical manufacturing, supply chain management. For its building and city units, the company states from skyscraper to stadiums to shopping centers, drive connectivity, productivity, and security for everyone in them. They literally got it all covered. Further, Honeywell is expanding into Internet of Things, or more specifically, the industrial Internet of Things. For many investors, they like the Honeywell stock because it's capitalizing on its legacy businesses while also expanding into new frontiers. Take a look at the stock over the next 6 months. I think you'll be surprised at the type of gains it'll give us, especially if the economy continues to expand. And that may be what's going to happen after this election is finally behind us. Next stock, Caterpillar, ticker symbol CAT. It's manufacturer of construction and mining equipment, diesel, natural gas engines, industrial turbines, diesel, electric locomotives. Man, talk about everything. It's a hardcore engineering company. Caterpillar provides the solutions you need to build a successful construction business. While Caterpillar stock is highly levered to the economy or moves along with the economy, we're not seeing the type of breakdown typically associated with a deep global recession. In fact, shares are higher by 5% in the past month after a rally. Why? Because it's likely that some sort of infrastructure deal will eventually come to fruition. Whether, irrespective, if Biden controls the White House or if Trump miraculously finds that there's fraud in the election and ends up remaining the president, both sides have an incentive to put people to work with a big infrastructure bill. On top of that, most of the world is looking to get back to regular life. For others, though, construction, road work, and other tasks needing heavy machinery will start back up, especially with this huge catalyst in residential construction right now that makes 2021 a big rebound year. These catalysts should be a strong boost for Caterpillar, or at least that's what the stock price is reflecting currently. Give it 1 to 2 quarters. If the economy continues picking up, you should see big gains in these two stocks. Keep your eye on Honeywell and Caterpillar. And I hope that helps. Folks, Chuck Hughes pulled $6.1 million from the stock market over the past 7 years, and he's agreed to do a one-time interview with me. In it, Chuck reveals how his secret trading methodology called trophy trades has allowed him to bank consistent gains year after year completely stress-free. Click on the link below to watch the interview today and find out how trophy trades can completely transform your annual return and your life. Do it now.